Government can legally take back your land in Nigeria, and yes, even if you have paid fully for it, but they can only do it under some certain conditions. And if you don't understand these conditions, you could be losing millions of naira. So stay with me in this video, and I'll be explaining government acquisition, revocation, and the role of right of occupancy. So if you're buying land in Abuja or anywhere in Nigeria, this is a very important video you need to watch. Why does government have power over land? In Nigeria, all land legally belongs to the government under the Land Act use. What you actually receive when you buy land is the right to use, and that right is called the right of occupancy. This document gives you legal permission to occupy and use the land, usually for 99 years. So technically, you don't own the land. Absolutely. You have government backed rights over the property, over the land. What is government acquisition? Government acquisition means the government has marked a piece of land for public use. Now, for example, hospitals, schools, road expansion, infrastructural projects, etc. So if you buy land under acquisition, the government can remove structures on it at any time. And that is why verification is very critical, is very, very important. If you have been watching my previous video, I always talk on why you should verify a property before you purchase. What is land revocation? Revocation is different. Revocation happens when the land is needed for overriding public interest, when you violate the terms of the right of occupancy, when you fail to develop the land within a required period, when you don't pay ground rent. Now, in such cases, government can legally withdraw your rights from the land. But this is very important. Revocation must follow legal procedures. Will government compensate you? If land is revoked for public interest, compensation is usually paid for the building, the crops, not always for the land itself. So that is why buying properly titled land is safer and will save you from lot of stress. How to protect yourself, especially here in Abuja. If you're buying land in Abuja, verify at Abuja Geographical Information System, which is popularly known as the AGIS. Confirm if the land is not under acquisition. Confirm the title is valid, and also confirm if there is no revocation notice on the property. Confirm if the ground rent is paid up to date. Never rely on only what the seller tells you. The important truth is government does not randomly wake up and takes people land from them. Most demolition happens because the land was under acquisition, title was not perfected, or the buyer didn't verify properly. Fear comes from lack of information. Can government take back your land in Abuja? Yes, but only under specific legal conditions. The real problem is not the government. The real problem is buying without proper verification. Before you invest, understand the status of the land. I remain Nkechi Obonna and I share real estate tips and guidance on how you can acquire verifiable property here in Abuja. So subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever a video is dropped, and follow and like for more.